Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. So it is Tuesday. Just got logged on for work. Just wanted to say good morning. I just made my coffee. I just got my coffee and my water for the day as well. And I got on my glasses. I just wanted to come on and do a quick little review on these glasses. These blue light glasses are bomb. I wore them all day yesterday and I think they made a huge difference because honestly, guys, before I was wearing these, I was having like headaches and my eyes were just, it was just too much looking at this bright screen, especially because I'm normally supposed to have two monitors, but one of my monitors is like the cord that I have is not working, so I need another cord. So I've been working on one monitor, which makes it a little bit harder because I'm just staring at one screen as opposed to using my two screens. So I need to actually get that like ASAP. I just haven't been to the store to like do it. So yeah, y'all, that's that. I just wanted to let you guys know that these glasses are bomb. So definitely head over to Seek Eyewear and take advantage of using my discount code because I think you should get a pretty good savings. But yeah, you guys, it's so boring during the week because literally all I do is work, and I work from home now, so it's a little bit harder to like film during the day and stuff like that. But the rest of the week, I want to make sure that the rest of the Vlogmases are lit. I'm going to try to make everything as most interesting as possible. So just let me know what you guys want to see. I have some content that I've been wanting to film and make sure I get filmed. So I just got to push myself and get out there. I'm a little bit tired, but it's going to be a good day. It's Tuesday. Hopefully the day goes by fast. It was super busy yesterday. Like by the time I hopped on, there was already like 60 calls in the queue, and it's not that way at all this morning, so I'm pretty happy about that. So hopefully it's a pretty chill day, and yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get clocked in. You guys was about a diagnostic code, which I do not have. I don't do medical billing and coding, so yep, that was a transfer. So freaking annoyed. So I was online looking at my curriculum plan because I only am right now registered for 3 classes because I thought that the anatomy, I need to take anatomy 1, and I thought, sorry it's so loud in the background, y'all. Hold on, let me just close the door for a second. I don't know what they're doing out there, but they're like so freaking loud, and my lips are dry. Oh my God, I put some of these chapstick on. This is my the Context Nude Balm in Clear Matte. I don't like it, y'all. I am a glossy person, like even for my chapsticks. Like I need my chapsticks to be a little glossy, and it just doesn't give me enough, and it doesn't last. But anyways, you guys, so I'm so annoyed because I got online. I'm just looking at my classes and stuff. And like I said, right now I'm currently registered for only 3 classes because anatomy, I was under the impression I couldn't register for because you need to take you got to take organic chemistry beforehand. So I'm registered for organic chemistry. I'm registered for, I think, a psych class, and then their composition class that is required that I have to take. So I'm registered for those 3. And the only thing I was missing to be on track for my semester 1 would have been my anatomy. So I was super annoyed. I'm like, how the heck am I supposed to, you know, I'm like, so now I'm gonna have to take a class in the summer so that by fall I can just do my complete semester 2 and not be behind, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, all right, whatever, gotta do what I gotta do. Whole time I go on here now and I'm looking like, look, something just told me to go look. So you gotta trust your feeling. Something told me to just go look again, even though I knew the requirements or what they were. And this time it says that, yes, it's required, but the next sentence says that co-registration with organic chemistry is literally, is permissible. So I'm like, how the hell did I miss that? Wait a minute. Now that I just said that to y'all, it makes me feel like I'm not even registered for 1050. Maybe there's got to be a way. Like, I would not have missed that. So there's got to be a reason why I did that. So now I'm like, wait a minute. Am I even registered for organic chemistry? I might be registered for intro because I think you have to take intro. I think that was my problem. Yeah, that was my issue, y'all. Now I'm remembering. So my issue was that I have to, yes, it's okay for me to co-register taking anatomy and chemistry at the same time. However, I think in order for me to take organic chemistry, I have to take the prereq to organic chemistry. And I knew that because of my advising meeting. So now that kind of brings things back. And I'm pretty sure that I'm not registered for organic chemistry. I think I'm registered for the prereq so I can take that over the summer, which is annoying because that means 2 things for me. But that's annoying for me because pretty much that means that over the summer, I'm going to have to take organic chemistry and human anatomy 1 to be able to be on track for spring, so I'm not behind at all. And that's going to be pretty hard because summer is a lot shorter, obviously, and these are pretty intense classes, and I need to do well on them. So I'm annoyed. I got all fake happy for nothing, like, oh my God, yes, I need to go ahead and register. I can co-register. I'm like, I'm just going to wait, and then now it all makes sense. So that's so sad. So yeah, y'all, that's that. I gotta just do what I gotta do, honestly. So I'll probably just be registered to the 3 classes I need to. And then my only options are to take those 2 classes in the summer and then start my semester 2, which will be microbiology, anatomy 2, and then my other 2 courses that I need to take to be full-time. And then I'll still be on track, meaning that being on track means that after next fall, at the end of next year, I'll be ready to go into the nursing program. So if I don't do that and I don't take classes in the summer, I could go for the fall semester and start with those 2 classes I need to take, my anatomy 1 and 2 and all that, but it kind of delays me, and then I'll have to take whatever is remaining that summer before the fall. So I'm not behind, but it's probably just best for me to take it this summer. If I can. I wish I could just take it now. Like, that's so annoying because I've obviously already taken these classes, but they're just not within date, and they're very particular now. Like, all your classes have to be within 2 years. And you guys know I've been living here for 3 years, so I've been out of school for quite some time, and they don't qualify. So it's a little frustrating. It's a little annoying, but it is what it is because I'm willing to do what I got to do. So we're just going to cross that bridge when we get there. So I have an advising meeting tomorrow. I kind of answered my own question, but I'm pretty much going to ask her if there's anything else that I can fill in my schedule now to like avoid having to take later. And 2, if it's smart for me to do that in the summer and if it's an option. Because, you know, sometimes they don't offer those certain classes in a summer time span. So yeah, y'all, this is pre-nursing. This is nursing program stuff. So, yeah, we're going to be keeping you guys on my journey because we're going to be doing a lot, working full-time and going to school online full-time. But I'm so ready. And in 2 years, your girl's going to be an RN. So, mark my words. Period. What do y'all think it is? It's so big. Oh, I want to open it right now. I know I didn't ask for nothing this big, so this is a surprise. I don't know what it is, y'all. Comment down below what y'all think this is.
Well, I'm gonna put it, babe. You have to do it.
Yeah, because she was just gonna leave it right here, y'all. Like, what the heck? All right, you guys. So this is the next step of the chicken parm. So I went ahead and browned the chicken breasts. I did cut them in half because I only had 2 and made them thinner. The last one's cooking, but I'm gonna just have that one separate for tomorrow for lunch. And yeah, I'm gonna make it like this just for the sake of how much sauce I had. So I'll put a little bit of sauce in the bottom of the pan. I laid the chicken breasts in there after I browned them, and then I put a little bit of sauce on top. I put a little bit of shredded cheese, and then I put a little bit of sauce, and then I put some thin sliced provolone, and I put a little bit more shredded cheese and some parsley and Italian seasoning on top. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the cheese melts so they can finish cooking. About 8 o'clock and I am pretty much editing. I just got done editing the vlog that's going up for you guys tonight, and also this vlog, which is going to go up for you guys at 7 o'clock in the morning. My goal is to get all my videos up at 7 o'clock, but y'all, just has not been going that way. So I decided to just go ahead and make sure that I'm back on top of it. And then tomorrow I have some exciting stuff kind of planned and fun stuff planned for you guys. So I'm going to be filming a chit chat, get ready with me. Not really a Q&A, but if you guys have any questions or if you can leave me any interesting topics, you guys really liked my last Q&A talking about friendships. A lot of you guys related to me on that. So leave me some topics down below, hopefully to talk about. And by the time I film it, I should see it. So please leave me a comment. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a giveaway very, very soon. I'm going to try to do 2 giveaways before Christmas. So you guys just have to watch. Make sure you're paying attention to the vlog so you can make sure that you guys win. And what else? As you guys see, I made chicken parm. This is like my first time making chicken parm, honestly. I just found a really, really simple recipe and kind of followed it and made it my own. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'll let you guys know on the screen if it was pretty good. I'll let you guys follow along with me, you guys. I'm super excited. I got gifts under the tree. I got lots of Christmas shopping to do this weekend. We have a family Christmas party with my dad's side of the family on Saturday to go to. I got just lots of fun stuff to do. I gotta just finish all my Christmas shopping. My grandma's birthday's this weekend. It's just a lot, just fun stuff. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog so I can go ahead and edit this and make sure that it's up for you guys in the morning and it's nice and scheduled so we can get back on track. So I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Don't forget to leave me a topic or question down below. And yeah, that's that, you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I did deep condition my hair. I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. It smells like Play-Doh, but it does pretty good on my curls. So I'm gonna make sure I put in probably the Myleah Organics leave-in conditioner and do like some twist or something and seal it with some oil so that it can be moisturized. But that's it, you guys. So it's not much going on. We're gonna be just chilling. Baby's filming a video for her channel, so we're just relaxing. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Took a couple shots. I'm gonna be out here soon, so I just want to make sure that we get it together. So I love y'all, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.